And we're live. How we doing, folks? How we doing? Wednesday's here. Lovely little pre-market, eh? Big push up this morning. Nice trending session. I don't know if that gives me good vibes for the day though. Yeah, it's, I feel like it could be quite a difficult session to trade. I can't see us keep pushing up. Could get a sell-off or we could chop around, so I don't know. I don't love to see a big pre-market because I feel like we don't get that good of a normal session then, so yeah, but we'll wait and see. I'll be patient and won't rush into anything. Definitely not going to rush into longs. I feel like it would trick me. Henry, how you doing, mate? Good to see you. Well, we've got 30 seconds to open. Sorry, I'm a bit late today, lads. I don't know what happened. I misjudged the time and I had to make my cup of tea and yeah, chaos. But I did update the joke of the day today, which I haven't done in a good while. So yeah, it's unsure to be honest. I feel like we could get a sell-off or we could chop around, but I can't see us pushing up that much higher. If we do, my target is 552, which is only about 50 points. Yeah, 50 points from where we are now. Alright, we're open. We are open. Bullish 30 seconds. Yeah, I feel like we've got to see some kind of retracement towards VWAP. Is what I'm feeling like. Got about 100-point gap to the downside, so definitely going to eat into that a little bit, I would have thought, but the only reason a person would trade on a day like today is lack of experience or lack of mentor. Close the laptop and enjoy your afternoon. Alright, mate. The open sheesh, I know, man. Strong push up. What's the pole looking like? Oh, a bit mixed on the poll. I'll give it a couple more seconds and I'm closing the poll. Get your votes in. My thoughts are either short or chop. Some nice wicks. There is a very small chance we push all time highs, but I can't see it. I think it was about 250 points. Yeah, I'm definitely taking it easy after that pre-market. Nice music. Cheers, mate. Yes, we do drum and bass here. Gets me pumped up. What's your bars today? Looking for bars. Not till 10 AM New York time. Okay. My thoughts are short or chop, but if we push up and keep pushing up strongly, I'm happy to go long, but I'm definitely not rushing into a long. I just feel like we're going to at least want a retrace before going long. I would have thought. Sort of get entry signals here for a long, but yeah, I'm not wanting to take it. Leo, how you doing, mate? How you doing? Let me guess, you're already up on the day. Yeah, my short target, what did I put it as? I think around VWAP, I think. $433. Yeah, just below VWAP. Nah, I missed the open. Yeah, we were getting nice long signals there, but I don't know, I can't see a sustained push up. So I didn't want to rush him. Lewis, hey up, how you doing, mate? Tesla 500 was a good trade, yeah. Yeah, that would have been the trade to take, because I don't know, I just get a bit antsy when we are just straight up. Especially on the open, I feel like you normally get a pullback initially, then carry on pushing up maybe, or I just don't know what to do myself in pre-markets like that. So I'd rather sit and wait. For 300 points from all-time highs, so cocaine guys back. The wall shape maybe hyped to push that. Yeah, I did think that. It's definitely a possibility, isn't it? Definitely a possibility. I think if we get above the 550s and we're still looking strong, I'll be happy to take a long, but I just wanted to wait for the initial open just to try and avoid any nasty sweeps. Bring back 150 point opening candles. No, I can't even get a trade in when it's like that, man. That's too bad. Top step charts are lag again. What? That'll be everyone in Discord kicking off. I'm just not going to change. Fucking can't speak today. I'm not going to change time frame because it seems to be right unless you change time frame. We should be all good. I saw in Financial Juice Trump was supposed to be holding a press conference at the NATO summit, and it was just a Spanish geezer. Sat and listened to it for about 20 minutes, and the Spanish Prime Minister talking in Spanish, so I didn't have a clue what he was saying. I vote for that. Sick of this woke opening candles. Taco, how you doing, mate? Good to see ya. Yeah, I think we could either chop around this area and then get a big sell-off, or it could be all-time highs. Not necessarily today, but over the next couple of days. This week, probably. One or the other. Chop and sell-off, or all-time highs. On a serious note, buying a PC, oh, that's a big commitment. What are you going for? Are you a Mac kind of guy, or are you a Microsoft kind of guy? Other than just pressing all the upgrades, is there a logical way to do it? I think you've got to do the upgrades depending on what you wanted to do. You wanted to play games in it, you just wanted to trade and that's it. I think high RAM, probably the highest you can get, would be a good start. I mean, I don't know too much about computers, but yeah, highest RAM you can get. PC buying as a match with budget plus gold. You limit the budget, and from there you get the pieces. Budget, no idea. As much as it costs. But yeah, it depends on what you want out of it. If like you wanted to game and stuff out of it, then obviously you'd have to be looking at stuff like good graphics cards and shit like that. But if you're literally just trading, I mean, as far as I'm concerned, just saying modern and high RAM is what I would think. But I'm no computer expert. But I used to trade on something that used to have 8 gig of RAM on my 2012 MacBook Pro, and that was tough to trade on. Very laggy. It was not too bad if I was just looking at charts, but as soon as I tried to get into Bookmap, that was it. It was game over. Couldn't do it, especially trying to record as well. Even with upgrading, it wasn't great. Just use it for trading, small caps mainly, maybe some gaming. Not Mac, okay. Need something fast, don't have many things being used at the same time. 2-3 monitors linked up. Yeah, just something with one of the latest processors, I'd say, and yeah, high RAM. If you're not fussed on gaming, then you don't need to worry about graphics cards or anything, really. I don't think. And yeah, decent size hard drive, because you always fucking need more hard drive space. Well, we're around that 550 mark, which was my long target. $552 to be precise, wasn't it? So yeah, as long as we push through that and keep looking strong, I'm happy to go long at some point. I still don't get great vibes, but I've had that before where we've done nothing but push up and I'm just waiting for the pullback and we never get it. Waiting for the sell-off. It never comes. Can't lie, I broke some rules yesterday and almost cooked myself. I pure luck end of the day with a slight loss on some accounts. Oh, that's not too bad then. That's not too bad. Count yourself lucky, mate, and sort of let that be a lesson to try not do it again. And yeah, at least you ended not too bad. sort of makes you feel a little bit better about it. You dodged a bullet kind of thing. They've got PS5s, so not essential, yeah. Nothing is hard, just wait for a pullback. Hold 50 point low, could have. That's the open. Might now be a 1 minute area, but I'm just going to hold and wait. Yes. Difficult when it's like this. I'll put in a stop order if we come back up. Nice spike of volume. Not looking too strong at the minute. No, I've exited that. That's why I love the stop orders. Amount of times they fucking save my ass, man. Look at that. You ever trade gold in your fundeds once? Once on the 9th of June. And it was a loss, I think. Yeah, loss. 16 gig of RAM. Yeah, I feel like you need 16 gig, don't you, Leo, at least? $10 AM news. Oh, yes, we've got news at 10, haven't we? Forgot about that. Didn't even check it today. Leo, you're speaking Spanish. Yeah, I see it. I was like, yeah, I'm not even going to attempt to try to say that because I'm only going to say it wrong. I don't have a clue what any of it means. I'm a Mac guy, so anything that's not Mac, it's over my head. Other than RAM, I get RAM. Follow my rules, not trade till the afternoon. If I don't see anything from 9:40 to 10. Okay, yeah. Probably smart. Just copy and paste in Google. I think we're breaking the low. Push up was too grand, yeah. Quick sell off, wouldn't it? Is anyone buying down here? Like that mask game probably tells me I shouldn't buy anything. Nothing wrong with asking people that know better, Lewis. I'm not one of them, by the way. Leo's probably someone who knows better. Gonna buy order for breaking that 5-minute candle. It's looking quite nice in the 5-minute. I mean, I was just about to cancel it. I don't know if I love it, but the only thing I don't love about this is that I feel like we're right in the middle of the range. My entry, which is not the best of entries. Just looking for a 1-to-1 off this. Not going to ask for too much. Alright, I'm straight to break even on this. This is an area where we're going to either sell off from or push up from. I could get stopped out break even, but it's fine with me. I can relax all risk off the table. If it runs, it runs. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I wasn't loving it. I felt like entry was right in the middle of the range, so. Really getting wise. Wise dad mentality, Sam. I don't know about that, mate. It's gonna be tight. It's gonna be tight. Nice close of that. Can we keep it going? Yeah, I'm out. I'm somehow still on the fundeds. It's not over yet, boys. Not over yet. Yeah, I moved to break even straight away on that because I feel like we could go choppy here. And I don't want to be a part of that. We're just trying to get in if it was being aggressive, but always that news, isn't it? I forgot about that. To be honest, I don't think I'd have even entered if I remembered about news. To be fair, it's nothing major, is it? What is it? It's new home sales. Powell's testifying, but I can't see it being that dramatic. Yes, break even on the funded as well. That's fine. I'm just checking we're all out of everything. That was about 10-second delay. Cool, yeah, not mad with that. Happy with how I played that. Wasn't the best of entries. So yeah, it was more of a punt than anything. I'd like to see a close of 470 before I even entertain a short. 470. Yes, I think you're probably right, mate. I'd probably be thinking the same. And yeah, I'd probably be looking to take it down to 400s, 430s. If we were to go short. I don't know if I'll trade it, to be honest. I might trade from it, but Think about break even, it's based on entry like a few ticks earlier and you can still be in break. Yeah. It's frustrating doing break even because you're always thinking, oh, are you going to get stopped out and then it's going to continue. But I think when you're playing the safe game, you're probably far better off going to break even than risking it, especially with like the EMA thing. Should be looking for a quick win. If we're not getting it, there's a good chance I'm going to be stopped out anyway, so. Power day 2, yeah, I can't. I mean, I have no idea about these Testify things, but I can't see him saying much more than what he was saying yesterday. So is it going to be that market moving? But I have no idea what it really is, to be honest, so never watched it. Never power speak, something goes off. Go on the one stop prop week challenges up 31k. What? Nice, man. That's on the week as well, isn't it? In 3 days. Wow, 2 days, 2.5 days. Fucking hell. Same, I'd be looking to 410-ish. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if I'll trade it down, but I wouldn't mind looking for a trade from there for a long. Don't know much either, but if I see red fold, I'll wait 45 minutes, except for 10 AM. Now I'm waiting until afternoon. Okay. Yeah, it's probably a smart way to play it. Because you never know, do you? Especially with POW. I'll probably scale down a little bit if I do take another trade. Not me, the guy on top. Oh yeah, I was assuming it wasn't you. Not because I don't think you can't do it, I just felt like you'd be in there telling me straight away if you was at 32k on it. Yeah, 1.2 is still decent though, man. It's still on a practice countdown. 450, time to nap. At least it's on a practice, mate. Nothing wrong with taking a little punt on a practice. Especially when you prove wrong. Or prove wrong. Mind me off, goddamn. Actually, I'm gonna hold it up to the highs. Yeah, you should be right, to be honest. Maybe stop above the swing here. 534. Tesla's bleeding. Oh no. What's MicroStrategy doing this morning? MicroStrategy's pushing up still. Bit of a sell-off, but in the last few minutes. Bitcoin's sitting at 108. On 7 break-even trades in a row. What the fuck is that? What? Is that just today or including yesterday? You took a few yesterday, didn't you? 7 today would be wild. Switching bias. Practice kind of so great. Actually, now sales switching back. Fucking hell. Sideways any big P markets? Yeah, probably. He's speaking tomorrow, isn't he, pal? As well, I think. He needs to fucking back off, man. Oh no. All clear tomorrow. This looks short, then long, then short. Practice account is getting slapped right now. Better than my real. Better than your real account. Savage. 4-8 on a video scalp. Nice, Lewis. There's a Twitter account that follows the big trades on Bitcoin. Apparently someone's lost 60 million short on Bitcoin this last crash. Sold at 99. 900, I think. Got slapped same day. Jesus, man. It's insane that people got that much money to fucking trade with. I mean, it'd be leverage whenever, but still, the leverage amount will still be the amount of margin he's putting up for it will still be crazy. But it blows my mind when you see big players like that dicking around in Bitcoin trades. But to be fair, they're probably the sort of ones that made 100 mil from just buying it and forgetting about it, do you know what I mean? Or maybe they've been trading it since it basically started. Whoa, what's Pal said? Might grab one of these top prop accounts. I'll work for the stock trade 'em. Some Ali Muhammad, son of Sheikh from Middle East. Probably, yeah, probably. Yeah. Someone whose fun money is 60 mil. Their investment's 100 billion. I lock my real account so no fake shenanigans can happen. Good man, that's a good way to be. Definitely be locking out if if there's a risk. You didn't say anything. Savvy said 450, so that's where it's going. Savvy said 450, so the market is sold. Per day is 580 off that downside pop. Nice. Take profit is 1.0 VWAP. Mate, fucking perfect sell then, isn't it? Perfect sell. Or buy, should I say. Lewis cooking today, yeah. Smashing it as always, Lewis. But I'm glad I went to break even on that, because that would have been me stopped out, wouldn't it? Nice. Right, cool, right, cool. That got to be me done. Yeah, we'll see, Lewis, we'll see. Hey bros, I'm in that real quick. See you later, Taco, mate. Enjoy your nap. Good luck if you're trading later as well. Take profit almost hit for you, Taco. Hey, my Tradeify is going a bit scatty. The question is, do we bounce from VWAP or do we break down below? Thanks, had a pain in my background. I had to performance hit, so I got up. 450. Oh yeah, we're a bit away. Well, it was getting there, but I forgot VWAP was on the way, so obviously we've stalled there. My bad, mate. You shouldn't have left it on. What have you left it on for? It's never going to help you sleep. Or at least mute it. Leave it on for the views, but mute it. There's a chance we accelerate this move down, yeah. We seem to be respecting VWAP at the minute, but I don't know. Cumulative delta still looks really weak, even with this push up. Alright, this is heavy, yeah. This could be the sell opportunity, but I don't want to sell into VWAP. I want to wait until the 5 minutes are a bit more aligned as well. Because nobody's actually believing we will yet. I mean, on a bigger time frame. I don't think it looks amazing, to be honest. I was saying I feel like we could sell off from this area, maybe chop around and sell off. And yeah, nothing major, even if it's just a pullback. That could be the agenda of the week, or we push up for all-time highs. Oh, I'm locked out. What a div. Ah, mate. I suppose you can't unlock it, can you? That's the whole point of being locked out, is that right? We can go well through or maybe all-time high. Yeah, I like those options. It's either one or the other, nowhere in between. That would be correct. What are you going to do then? I suppose just sit there and wait. How long are you locked out for the rest of the day? Yeah, until tomorrow, no sweat, yeah. I mean, it could be for the better. Practice trade it, and maybe you'll have a couple of losses and feel really good about it. Mate, fucking Tradeify's been a bit scary today. Bit freezy. I'm practice trading a short. The break of this minute candle here. Looking for a 3-to-1, looking for the big play. The break of the VWAP. Practice trading it, because yeah, I wouldn't want to put money against VWAP, but it's a bit of fun. Take profit is 436. Looking good, looking good. Oh, back at break even already. If I was taking this on a funded or whatever, I'd have taken a 1-to-1 and I would have been out, I believe. Yeah, would have been out. Probably going to get stopped out in this, I think. Yeah, stopped out on the practice account. That's why we do it on the practice account, boys. Still respecting VWAP then at the minute. If we do end up rallying from here, it could be nice, man. Could potentially be getting a nice close in the 15. Got 2.5 minutes until bar close. Overall happy, just having a look at some stats, having express funded. I've yet to trade, so started last Friday after taking a payout on the others. Nice, man. How many funders you got now, Lewis? Must have a few, in you? Just saw your message about the yuppies. Yes, mate. Don't worry about replying, it's a bit of a long one. I got a bit carried away. $1,146, 84% win rate, average duration 1 minute 37 seconds. Jesus, 80% short, 20% long, 9 trades in total. 1 minute 37 seconds. Fuck me. That's fucking mental, man. Definitely in and out, isn't you? Your missus must love you. But decent stats though, man. Nice win rate. Love a high win rate. Nothing more morale boosting than a high win rate. Oh, that was a bit of a wick, wasn't it? So we have 2,250 after payout, 1,000 after payout, 220, and this one 1,146. Oh, it's 5 in total, is that right? Is that my mathing correctly? Nice, man. All in the positive as well, decent. And trade data is wrong. Fuck's sake. That's an Express funded. 25 trades on that account, okay. It's even better stats if it's more trades. $15 in 1 day with trading micros. Top Step's a bit weird how they do trades, isn't it? So it wouldn't have actually been 15 individual trades, but it would have been probably a couple of trades, a couple of entries, a couple of exits, all in the same trade. I can't bear that Top Step does that. If I'm scaling in or out of a position, it's one trade to me, it's not 7. Yeah, I was then looking at it thinking that's way more than I thought. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's, yeah, if you enter 2, enter another 2, then enter another 2, you're in 3 trades basically, even though it's the same position. And I think it would even be the same if you entered, like, say 10 lots in one go, but then scaled out, so took 3 off, 3 off, and 3 off, and then 1 off or something. I think that would still be all separate trades, I think. Have a great read to learn more deeply about the difference between money and currency. No, with my eyes. Crazy, I average 2 trades per day. Everyone's different, though. That's what I love about the market, is everyone can trade it completely differently. Everyone's got their own style. Just kidding, get a nap later. Nottingham 450 is criminal. Oh yes, we were very close, weren't we? Wow, 12 points. Close enough, innit? I still think you're in for a chance, but I don't know. The amount of emails I get to collab with, like, random prop firms is ridiculous. Sorry, definition of money. Oh, I'll have a look for that, Leo. You see that Bitcoin corresponds to all of his definitions better than gold or a dollar yet. That doesn't surprise me. I can't trade this fucking market. Yeah, it's a bit of shit, innit? Just not surprising, really. Big pre-market. Probably have better luck in the PM session. Trade stops, tight stops. I'd rather take a loss and re-enter. OnlyFans is probably heard. I'm not googling that. If I'm doing a joint co-stream, yeah, I have at some point. I think I will do. You interested, are you, Lewis? Yeah, it'd be interesting at some point. I need to figure out how to do it. I'd bring the views. Yeah, who's that knob on Sam's stream? It feels like probably not. Oh, true. Oh. True though. It'd be a good laugh though. I think you guys use my good looks for your views. Yeah, just put Leo's face as a thumbnail. Get 10 people in a Skype call. It'd be like, did you ever see like the videos when everyone went into lockdown and there was videos coming out of like Teams meetings called with like some village parish council or something like that. There was a bunch of like 60-70-year-olds all arguing and calling each other twats and all sorts. I have to try to find the one that I'm thinking of. Fucking wild funny. It'd be like that, I imagine. Trying to find the short one. Right, let me mute the music.
With a simple search, you can discover the world. Doing things like this. And that there. Or even this. Wherever you're
Why can't I skip this up?
discover tours, tickets and attractions at getyourguide.co.uk. Unforgettable travel experiences.
Been called by
and let me also quote to you the standing orders of Hanforth. Will you stop talking?
We are prepared.
Will you please listen?
We'll go the same.
Will you please listen? Will you stop being whatever it is you're trying to be and just clerk the meeting if that's what you want to do? We'll start the meeting, and I want to repeat what I said at the beginning of the last meeting.
People crack me up.
This meeting has not been called according to the law. The law has been broken.
It has been properly
Will you
called.
please let the chairman
Mrs. Weaver, please.
speak?
If you disrupt this meeting, I will have to remove you from it.
It's only the chairman who can remove people from a meeting. You have no authority here, Jackie Weaver. No authority at all.
No authority.
She's just kicked him out.
She just kicked him out.
Don't. She's kicked him out. Don't.
This is a meeting called by two councillors.
Illegally?
You may now elect a chairman.
No, they can't because the vice chair's here. I take charge.
It happens every time the team's got work.
Read them and understand them.
Dear me.
Appalling behaviour.
Yeah, I'm going to subpoena everybody. Let's go.
It's hilarious that these are paid council members.
Jackie Weaver, please.
And they're acting like children.
Would now elect a
I want to leave. Just you go and out with them. She's kicked Barry out, so I'm leaving. No, Barry. No, Barry has gone. You fool. We're trying to have a Teams meeting, you fool. Okay. Oh, you just told us.
remaining members, quite correctly, have refused to recognise that that position. But as Councillor Smith says, I'm afraid there's no way of stopping him calling himself clerk. Okay. Please refer to me as Britney Spears from now on.
Fuck's sake. Chaos, man. Chaos right music. Yeah, they're grown adult people paid to be running a council, and they're fucking children. Mark is still doing nothing. The screen goes blank with the guy's name. I just mute people mid-conversation. Savage. And Trump is the deranged guy, yeah. Yeah, that is... Imagine like a local village, Leo. Like a small village, and they have like a little council, and they're all run by old biddies. And obviously, because it was locked down because of COVID, they all went to Zoom meetings. And they're just abusing each other and kicking each other out, and apparently calling meetings illegally, whatever the fuck that means. Well, it could be getting some traction. I don't know, it doesn't feel strong enough off a VWAP, really. Might come and revisit. What is going on with Tradeify? My chart's just refreshed. Oh, the old Zoom days. So we're getting clapped right now. Yeah, you might be stopped out soon, mate. Relatively decent close in that last 5-minute bar. No stop loss. Oh, it's only a practice gun, doesn't matter, does it? Hold it until all-time highs. New high buy for 50-point strat. Markets are wild today. That was a why didn't we buy moment. I mean, I was considering looking at longing from this sort of area. It could still potentially look alright, but just looking at one stop prop now. They have a one-step funding program and it's 536, 50 to 1 leverage. Max drawdown 4k, max loss 6k, profit target 8. Once you pass, you get a refund. You can hold overnight and weekends too. Fuck me, that's alright. Yeah, I saw that. It seemed because their other one was it 2 or 3 steps? I can't remember. It was 2 phases, wasn't it, that you had to pass to then get onto a funded. But then yeah, I saw the one phase and that looked a lot better. Or you can just do straight to funded as well, can't you? $20 micros on. Still going strong. Have you added to it? Yeah, just keep setting. Hopefully it will push the market down. 459 the new target. Maybe we're looking heavy. You never know. No consistency rule. Either 1 or 2 step, 1 step, straight to funded yet. Considering the stocks is really good, next pair I might try. Yeah, I mean, I've never really looked into it, but I've never really heard of any that do stocks. So yeah, it's definitely different. And yeah, if you wanted to trade stocks, then yeah, ideal, man. More serious while, like, yeah. So much less volatile too, yeah, I can imagine. Especially at the minute. Yeah, back for another test of VWAP. They do comps each week and you can run through accounts. Must start doing it weekly. Yeah, man. Yeah, if you because you started slightly late, didn't you? So yeah, get on it Monday and fucking yeah, smash it. And it's a good laugh anyway, isn't it? It's doing stuff like that. What do you trade it on, Lewis? Is it on it's on some weird platform, isn't it? You only buy about 8 hours. Okay, it's not too bad. on their website. What, you actually trade from their website, do you? Oh, it says number one's only at 12,500. Mohammed. I don't know if I'm looking at the right one or not. When you have an actual account, you can trade on TradingView or Match Trader. Hugo is the top of the compounding. They run more than one, do they? I'm looking at the... I think it says monthly competitions. I don't know where the weekly ones are. Yeah, if we can do it from their website, I wouldn't mind having like a little butchers on the... for a free competition. Free, is it? You don't have to pay anything. Oh yeah, the one I'm looking at is for June competition. Might be private. This is trade. It's his community challenge if you're a trade cast member. Okay. 51,000, nice. Oh, I don't need to watch a video. Oh, you got to pay $10 for the June competition. It's not bad though, really. It's a good way to earn more money for them though. I think it's a good idea for prop firms to do stuff like this. Because that'll easily pay for the winning prize. I made it for 1.6 now. Yeah, I think it's pretty unique. Yes, it's cool. It'd be cool if the other prop firms did stuff like that. I mean, it's just a good way to bring new business in, isn't it? Get people on there, sort of doing the competitions, trying to get free stuff. But then even if they're winning like 40% off of stuff, they're still them spending money with them. Not bad marketing strategy. Oh, just know, as soon as I say I want to call it a day, it will fucking do something. His username, close trades, win rate, profit percentage on the account. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's decent. Got a second from last, had minus 5.2 and 356 closes trades in 2 days. What? Jesus. That's what you call over trading. Man, this market is shite, innit? Want to trade more insurance, bro? I'm happy on Nasdaq for the time being. I did dabble in gold here and there sometimes, but I need to just focus more on one for my my own trading. I think maybe one day I'll move around a little bit more, but I need to work on discipline. So I'm happy to sit there through choppy markets and not trade, because it's only going to benefit me in the long run. Help me be patient. Yeah, I'm most confident on Nasdaq. Traded it the most, no. Not surprised by sweeps and stuff like that, so. Which competition, bro? One stop prop, I think. The prop firm that Lewis is looking at, they run competitions. Round of Selma's winning 464 take profit. Now you keep moving up then. Almost there, almost there. There we go. Take profit hit for you, mate. Got there in the end. Shame it's a practice account. Nice trade though, man. Question is, are we going to break down from here, or are we going to respect VWAP still? I'd like to see it break VWAP, to be honest, and sell off. I think it's the only trade opportunity I'm going to get if we get there. So you trade on Top Step using TakeProfitTrader accounts linked? No. Where I trade Top Step X, you can't link anything. This is why I'm sort of trying to move away from it. I'd rather be on Tradeify, and then I can then copy trade with other prop firms and stuff. Do you know what I mean? A bit more flexible in it. But yeah, Top Step X, you're limited to Top Step only, which is a bit nasty. Yeah, I have Top Step X on my left screen, Tradeify on my right screen, and try and execute both at the same time. Doesn't always go well, but it is a situation in a minute. That's fine. Right, we've had a close below VWAP on the 5-minute bar. So if we get a sub, I think I'm down for looking for a short. Down to around 430 to 400 is what I'd be looking for. Once we get down, I wouldn't be so keen to take anything. Yeah, I want a little pullback to the EMAs first though. So using some of the bigger tech players in my Nasdaq trade. Now, if you want, keep an eye on them, and then if they're having big moves, then sort of gives you an indication of what Nasdaq's going to do. How much of a delay is there in that? I feel like it would be pretty instant, wouldn't it? Or is it just a case of it's pretty instant, but you can sort of get a feel for if the big tech players look like they're topping, then Nasdaq might be topping, kind of thing. Savvy said 450. You got there, man. You got there. Wow. 452 to be fair, mate. You're not quite there yet. More visibility and motive for moves. Depends. If they're topping as resistance, holding key levels, etc. Okay. We used Tesla as a move on Monday. So that big drop coincided with a $1 drop on the video. Okay. Yeah, I'll have to have a check of that out at some point. Trouble is I don't have enough monitors. We got no video dropping now. Yeah, I'll have to have a look at adding that somewhere maybe. Be interesting to keep an eye on it. Four 44975. Yeah, fair play. Fair play, you got there in the end. 65 off on the short for the challenge. Nice, Lewis, nice. To the tick as well. On that free account. What was that entry criteria? I'd like to see a pull back into the 2130 EMA. Sort of nice rejection wicks, high volume preferably. Then yeah, I like to enter on a stop order of the breakout of that candle that tapped into it. Obviously, quite often we just respect the 9 and sell off, but I prefer to see a bit of a bigger pullback. This means I get the best entry then, do you know what I mean? Look at PW's latest tweet. You got paid 106k, I think, for an affiliate payment in June. Jesus, man. 106k. Imagine I had 100 fucking big ones a month. And he said he wouldn't recommend. What, recommend doing it? Guy's a very average trader but takes risk and is open about making money from YouTube commissions. Yeah, crazy money, man. 100%. It's insane, isn't it? You know, the practice account I didn't hold. Told myself a reason to move up. Crazy how price works. Yeah, your mind works like that, doesn't it? You talk yourself out of it the longer you're in it. Happens to me all the time. Oh, you wouldn't recommend the prop? I don't have Twitter, man. Oh, I think I do, but I don't ever go on there. Patrick. Just to align this company with proven scammer. And that's only one prop firm as well, isn't it? I was Tradeify. What do they recommend this company? Because clearly they'd rather promote fraud, Discord owners over the trade on top of their leaderboard. Imagine having that much money that you can call out someone who just paid you 100 grand. Because I mean that's just one of the prop firms that he promotes. What about the other 7 or however many it is? I was thinking about an entry here, but I don't know if I'm loving it. Just sit and wait. See if we get more of a pullback. If we don't, it's fine. No, that's a new prop, I think. Not even Tradeify. They just paid him for his code to use, etc. From what I understand. $100k for him literally saying, I wouldn't recommend. I'm sure it said Tradeify on it. Yeah, I mean, the email says Tradeify. Tradeify Holdings Corp paid you 106,000, unless it's some other shenanigans that I don't understand. Oh, so it sounds like, reading further down, it sounds like they're Tradeify are cutting him. I don't know if that means they're stopping him being an affiliate, I don't know. Yeah, further down, so Brett Simba are gonna cut their #1 trader in support of a proven scammer. Oh yeah, amazing. Brett Simba, Tradeify has cut me now that I said it's a shame that they featured Jaden on their stream. Whoever Jaden is. There's so much drama, man. If I'm ever famous on YouTube, I'll be trying to stay as far away from drama as I can. That's not a bit of me. Jaden is an option trader. First of the community I joined. Is he a scammer? You know how to trade, but went to his head, getting paid 50k a month. Okay. Now to 3-4 years. September last year, got into props, more money. Yeah. And the whole Thunder Futures family with Danny Trade's scam happened. Ruined his name now, okay. Sounds like you keep up with the politics of it. I stay away from it. We was doing live options trading every day. First thing anyone can do is get into the prop firm space from option small caps. Well, I imagine it's definitely a different environment. So we trade already locked out till 2 PM. But I mean, there's a reason you lock yourself out, mate. Because of that news, wasn't it? Oh, I just realised my face is still small. No one wants that. This is annoying me because I feel like we're very close to the setup, but getting on. I'm not loving how the 5 minutes looking, to be honest. A couple of dojis on the 5 minute. Yeah, I'm going to call it a day. I was looking at potentially short on the 2 minute. Set at the break of this last 2 minute candle. But I'll be struggling to get a 1-to-1 before hitting my targets, to be honest. So there's a good chance we could reverse at 4-3-3. Which wouldn't even give me a 1-to-1, so I should call it a day there, I think. Sort of trading is a rat race. We're talking smack, not proving anything, and just making money off people's accounts being blown resets. Yeah. I see this. Send them provide proof, and there's no people to fix a shit. Yeah, I know it's insane that people pay for stuff that they don't get any proof from that the person that they're paying is profitable. Scary world we living in it. But that's why I've never handed my money over to anyone. I don't understand why it doesn't do a live login. Who are we talking about? That Jaden guy. If he's not doing a live login and people are asking him to do a live login, there's probably a reason he's not doing a live login, I would imagine, but... Oh, just anyone, yeah. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I just feel like in this space you need to do as much as you can to prove that you're profitable. If you're saying that you're profitable, you need to go above and beyond to prove that you're profitable, because there's so many people in the space that are scammers. Like, it's the least you can do for people, especially if you're asking money for people to teach them and stuff, or signals or whatever. Tradeify is refreshing every 20 seconds. Yeah, mine's been doing that. It's been alright recently, but half hour ago it was doing it. It's a bit scatty. I'd rather watch someone who can prove that they've made 10k over someone who ledgers 500k with no proof yet. 100%, man. 100%. And yeah, 500k from trading, not from prop firms. Right. That's why I've sort of changed my tune on Patrick loads, like, over the last few months, because he's been constantly at the top of the Tradeify leaderboard. So obviously that I suppose could be faked by Tradeify, but that's unlikely. But yeah, before that I always thought, oh, he earns shitloads from prop firms. Is he actually a profitable trader? But yeah, it's definitely it seems like he is now. So right, boys and girls, I should be back tomorrow normal time. If you're trading in the PM session, take it easy. I think the PM session will be better than the AM session, but take it easy still if you're doing it. Right, I'm going because I'm seeing setups and I don't want to take it. I'm not confident enough in it. Right, enjoy the rest of your day, and yeah, back tomorrow normal time. Cheers for stopping by. Have a good one. Have a good one. See you later.